Girl, you're so fire. The way you do what you do, they just don't make them like you. Cause you do your own makeup, and you got your cake up. Body insane, hair is amazing. You got the glow, you're gonna make it. Skin is so soft, what do you take? Aisha Mariah.
Hey guys, it's Monday morning and I'm on my way to the gym. What time is it? It is it's 8:20. I'm running a little late. The gym opens at 8 o'clock, so I'm normally there at 8, but the weather is a little bad, so yeah, we're gonna go to the gym. So I came in, guys, and I just finished 30 minutes of cardio, running on the treadmill and then running around the track. My trainer's here. We're about to get into some calisthenics for today and use like body weight and weights. So I just got in from the gym. That workout was everything. We did a lot of calisthenics today. I wish I could record more while I'm in the gym, but obviously I can't because I'm getting to it. Fitness is everything. I feel so good. I feel so good. After I work out every morning, it's like the best feeling in the entire world. And I'm gonna go shower, do some skincare, show my skin some love, and we're gonna go about our day. Also have to clean my room. I have a lot of new jeans from Fashion Nova, a lot in my closet as well. My closet is a hot mess, literally a hot mess. I'm gonna be doing a lot of hauls because I have a closet full of clothing that I wasn't able to wear due to the pandemic. So this should be fun, but let's just take a minute to applaud this skin. Like, it's giving life right now. I just want to say one thing. Working out has really helped maintain my skin. When I sweat, it's like I'm sweating toxins out my pores. My pores get tighter. It's just a different type of glow after I work out. This is a glow right now. I'm beaming. My eyes are awake. No dark circles. Start working out, y'all. If y'all don't take anything from me, start working out. Be cautious of what you put into your body and take care of your skin. Your entire life will change, I promise you. Okay guys, so I'm fresh out the shower. The first thing I do when I get out the shower, why is my mom calling me? She's right upstairs. Hello?
Somebody banging on the door.
Who is it?
I don't know, maybe some secretary or something.
Okay. Of course it's for me. Got interrupted by Prettylittlething. So my face has already air dried. I normally don't let that happen, but it is what it is. Now I'm going to spray my Dermalogica Multi-Active Toner. This toner is A1. This is my first bottle ever using this brand. I did a lot of research on it and I was looking for a good toner for dry skin. This is for all skin types and I've actually been seeing a big difference. Yesterday my mom FaceTimed me and she had the nerve to ask me if I'm bleaching. Sis, weird. Why would I bleach this beautiful melanated skin? No. That chemical peel was it. The chemical peel definitely reset my skin. So my skin looks so refreshed and rejuvenated. It's all one skin tone, literally. I have absolutely no hyperpigmentation right now, and that's a plus because with me, I'm usually light on the inside, T-zone area, dark on the outside around my lips, and I haven't been having that problem. And I want to say it's because of the chemical peel and what I've been doing to my skin after resetting it. So this is my favorite toner in the whole entire world. We're not going to do my full skincare routine, but we are going to do what I normally do in the morning when I come from the gym. My full skincare routine is usually done at nighttime. So this is just a good, you know, I'm going to treat my skin really good after all that sweat and stuff. So I'm going to spray my toner. Then I am going to use my Neutrogena Hydra Boost Gel Cream. This one's for extra dry skin. So because it has hyaluronic acid in it, I don't let my face dry fully before applying it. I like my face to be a little damp so that this can seal in the moisture and the hyaluronic acid. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take about this much and yeah, that's good. That's really, really good. After that, I normally put Vaseline on my skin, but my Vaseline isn't here. It's at my boyfriend's house, so I'm gonna improvise with my A&D ointment. This is also good for those of you who have dry skin, and this is gonna lock in the hyaluronic acid and all of the moisture so that my face doesn't go dry throughout the day, because I hate that. Look at that. We just look so good, so refreshed, so dewy, not dry at all. The skin has its nice natural glow. Then I'm gonna spray my toner once more to lock and set everything. Then lastly, I'm gonna throw on some lip balm. This is my Laneige lip balm. You guys know from my last video, I absolutely love this stuff. SPF should be the last thing you apply on your face, and you want to put a lot of that. It's about that much. This is my all-time favorite SPF. It smells so good. It doesn't leave any like gray or white after color or anything like that. It just melts right into the skin or sits right on top of the skin, and it's great. Doesn't take away from my dewiness or anything of that nature. And just because I'm anal when it comes to my toner, I'm gonna spray it one more time. Yes, this toner is it. If there's one thing you need a part of your skincare routine, is this toner. I swear by it. Remember I told you guys that I got some new scents from Rebel Scents. Today I'm gonna be spraying my Prada Candy because this is what I want to smell like. It smells so good. I'm gonna go put on a quick fit and then we can unbox this Pretty Little Thing package. Okay, so I just busted open my Pretty Little Thing package, and lo and behold, I ordered a bunch of jackets, as if winter is not almost over. But that's okay, because I guess I can wear this in the springtime. The first jacket I got, my bed is a mess, pay it no mind. The first jacket I got is this, what is it called? Okay, the first jacket I got is the petite black Bourge cropped trucker jacket. Okay, so this is a trucker jacket, and I got it in a size 6. That's my size in Pretty Little Things. And ooh, yes, I love a crop jacket. This is so cute. It's warm as well. I can definitely wear this in the springtime because it's not too warm, but it's a little cute jacket. I love it. Black is my favorite color. So cute. I'm pretty short, so nothing cropped normally fits me cropped. But this is it for me. I love it. This jacket comes in other colors, but I'm an all black girl because it goes with everything. This jacket actually goes with my fit right now. I might wear it today. Love it. Oh my god. Okay, the second jacket I got is also black. As you can see, your girl is obsessed with black. This is the black basic cropped hem puffer jacket, and I also got this in a size 6. This looks like it's actually gonna fit me cropped, for real, for real. Okay, I lied. My torso is just so short. See, the materials, windbreaker material. This is definitely more so for the spring. Absolutely love it. It also matches my fit today. So when I shop, I usually stop for staple pieces, things that I can wear every day with anything. I'm a comfy person, so I'm normally getting stuff that's comfortable, like sweats, leggings, body fitted, you know, things, stuff that I can actually move in. So I like this. What do you guys think? It's cute. The last jacket I got, definitely I'm not gonna say it's out of my comfort zone, but like I said, I like to wear a lot of black. Most of my jackets are black, so I want it to be a little different. So I'm in the process of spicing up my closet and adding more neutral tones that I like to wear. And this is the Russ Cordline cropped tucker jacket. So the material is corduroy on the outside. On the inside, it's like this furry, I wouldn't even call it furry, but I don't even know what to call this material on the inside. But I have a jacket like that. Yeah. Oh, I like this too. And this also matches my fit that I have on today a little. Cute. Super cute. And this is warm, baby. Yeah, I like this a lot. All right, now come through Prettylittlething with the jackets. That's it for my little try-ons. All I really have here is a bodysuit and a crop top, a black basic crop top. You guys will see this later on down the line, but I'm not gonna try it on right now. I'm actually gonna clean up because it's a mess in here. Hot mess. I have to put all of these stuff away. This is how I'm filming right now because my tripod broke, so that should also be on my to-do list today. I have to order a new tripod from Amazon. But looking good, feeling great. Everything is straight so far for today. I have to go grab my smoothie and pick up thank you cards for Reset Body, so let's go do that. I ended up changing my fit. I had to throw on some black sweats, and these sweats are from Prettylittlething. I threw these on because unfortunately it's snowing yet again in New York. So this is the fit that I chose. The detailing on the sweats are so cool. The buttons come up all the way, and I'm loving this jacket. It's just perfect for this weather. Before I leave the house, really quickly, someone just placed an order not too long ago, and all orders placed between Monday and Thursday ships out on Fridays. All orders placed between Fridays and Sunday ships out on Mondays. Because I didn't get to the post office yet, I'm gonna include this order in today's mail drop because I'm nice, and I'm not gonna have this person wait until Friday for their order to be shipped out, just because. Really quickly, let's package this order real quick. So we have the detox tea, the bag, my thank you card, thank you note, says drink me, their packaging slip. This has their entire order on it, and now we're gonna just seal it. And we're gonna place their shipping label. That's it, guys. Look at this snow. It's snowing. It's like the 5th time it snowed in like a week. see guys, as you can see, it's really nasty out here in New York, but I was able to get my green smoothie. And I also got a salmon salad. But I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's really nasty and I don't want to have my camera out in this weather. So thank you all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you dolls in my next video.
Aisha Mariah, girl, you're so fire. The way you do what you do, they just don't make them like you. Cause you do your own makeup, and you got your cake up. Body insane, hair is amazing. You got the glow, you're gonna make it. Skin is so soft, what do you take? Aisha Mariah, Aisha Mariah, Aisha Mariah.